All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today, well, we're doing a little behind the scenes. I got asked kind of when I did the two camera thing, which wasn't a permanent thing. I got a new camera, so I wanted to, have some redundancy, so in case it didn't turn out, I was good. So this is behind the scenes, how I set up for filming YouTube videos. Now, obviously, I've already done my show prep, got all my, what I want to say all thought out, but here's what I do to prep for it. Now, one little side note, it is 95 degrees in the shop. If you wonder why I'm sweaty, that's why. It is currently 9 o'clock at night, and I can't start filming yet because of that. The traffic and the light's still coming in, so doesn't do the best on white balance on the camera, so I still gotta wait. But we'll go ahead and get set up and get ready to film so I can knock out those videos and head home. My camera bag, my new camera, Sony a6400 with a 1650 lens. As you can see, my face is dark because I don't have light on. That's my new camera. And I went wireless. So on the a6400, audio's good, straight out of the camera through these, so that's what I'm using. Got my memory cards in this nice little Pelican case. Because I don't film at the house, I've got my battery chargers on the wall, so I can have a fresh battery for next week. I did, with my new camera and audio system, get a new tripod. Nice. Want to be a YouTube star, huh? Set up lights now. Decent little panel lights, LED. I'll let you look and see what I get to look at. Got a accent light here on the side, and then let's not go direct, but then I got a camera looking at me, and that's what I talk to. It's like talking to yourself, except eventually other people see it. As you can see, it's getting dark out, so I'm gonna be able to film pretty soon, but that's kind of how it is. I'm gonna change shirts, change hats, and we'll get to filming. And now I look like me, except, all the gray. But yes, I have hair. So the question is what hat should I wear? And as you can see, if you haven't noticed it in my videos, my hat collection is up here. Snap-on, Matco, another Snap-on hat that I actually haven't worn, my old Matco, Mac, Revel X, even Cornwell. The Revel X my dealer gave me when I bought my first box. I think I'll go with Snap-on. One of the things you got to do when you're filming with a hat on is you got to make sure it's up high enough so the light hits your face. YouTube stuff. And hopefully the audio comes in because I didn't set up a separate mic, so I'm filming on the shotgun mic. So now I get to move stuff around so I can start filming. I'm guessing this isn't very interesting, but somebody might watch it, so we'll put it up. My little wireless mic. Now I got to check audio levels. Testing, testing, testing. The all-important sync. Josh actually gave this to me. Of course, it helps if you hit record first. So I'm going to get to filming YouTube videos. See you in the next one. Filming in the summer. It's fun. All right, we're filmed, we're done. It's time to, well, tear all that down and go home. The little things in life that make you happy, one of these, that is this. Why? Because the tripods I use don't do that. I have two of these Amazon Basic tripods, and both of them have one leg that sticks. The little mount wants to come out, so this was nice. Now what I do is I pull my batteries out, because in here I've got my charger and my new power drawer. So that way, next week when I go to film, I won't have dead batteries. Been there, done that. Now, one of the things I'm planning on doing now that I've got a newer camera that I can rely on as far as audio with my new audio system is some more daily stuff. I am planning on doing that. So my power drawer, little mini tour box tour. My power drawer on my new Revel is actually dedicated to filming. I've got another lens for my camera. I've got my mic set up in here. My little Joby selfie stick. And all my chargers and all that. So I plan on doing a little bit more daily stuff here and there, so hopefully I'll do another day in the life of. Schedule with the holidays a little weird, so I didn't want to do it this week because it probably would have been pretty boring. So it's a lot of tear down. And these are spring loaded, so you have to push them down. Not the legs for some reason. Remote start. Get that AC blowing cold. So it's time to go home. You know, hot and sweaty. You know, I don't know if I've ever shown the office, but that is a Starbucks machine. All the coffee we can drink. Gotta lock up the shop. But yeah, there's the road we're on. And people wonder why I have to be careful about when I film. Don't worry, I'm not gonna do any time lapses. I don't wanna see my commute any more than you do, but it is what it is, so. I left my house at 6:20. Hope I picked up on the camera because I'm leaving it in. That's one of the things I have to deal with. Stopping filming because some dude in a rice rocket drove by. But I started my day at 6:20 when I left my house, and it'll pick up. Yep, it's 10 o'clock. And I get the day off tomorrow because tomorrow is 4th of July. So, thanks for watching.